Okay, so one of the first things is understanding the present. So I want you to just know, when it comes to understanding the present, it says, by studying history, we can better understand how past events and decisions have shaped the world. So this can come, like, especially with, like, understanding politics better. Okay, we can understand the presidency of someone like Barack Obama a lot better if we understand some of the past that led up to that. If you understand some of maybe like the laws that had been in place that made it difficult for like an African American or someone that was a person of color. If you understand those laws, you understand like maybe more the significance of him becoming president in the first place and what that means for the country. Okay, what are some other key ideas here when it comes to importance of studying history? Does anyone want to share something that they had written? Okay, informed citizenship. I'll need to talk about that for a minute. So informed citizenship. Okay, so when you understand history, like you can understand the laws a little bit better. So we'll be talking in this class, for example, about some of the amendments that were passed. For example, like spreading the right to vote. Originally in the United States, it was just like white men who owned property that could vote. But there were people that pushed for change, and then eventually it expanded to like people that didn't own property could also vote. It expanded to like people being able to vote regardless of like their race, regardless of their gender. Okay, so again, understanding history, studying history can help us to be like more informed citizens. It can help us to understand like the rights that we have better. Inspiration and motivation. You can learn about people that overcame difficult circumstances. You can learn about the challenges that past societies faced and how they were able to overcome those challenges. So then it can also motivate you with like the challenges that you might have or the challenges that we face as a society today. There's also a lot of lessons that can be found in history. We can learn like wisdom from people that were living in the past. Okay, and this can lead us to then like reflect and apply maybe that same wisdom to our own lives. Okay, if you have this, go ahead and get it turned in. I'm not going to give you much more class time. So if you don't have it done, that's going to be something you need to do at home, but this will go on your grade.